Peritoneal dialysis in children using Knowlton drain.
Pass a 20 gauge Branula just below the umbilicus after giving the local anesthesia and inflate the abdominal cavity with 20 ml of the peritoneal fluid. This is the 20 ml per kg amount of the fluid. Then we will prepare the Knowlton drain. It is a 14 FR Knowlton drain which is used for the suction of the throat, and it is easily available in all the setups. We will make 2 extra eyes using a sterilized scissor so that flow is made easy. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we have attached a 3-way for in and out cycles. Now we will remove the Branula and give a small nick using a 11 FR blade till a give-way feeling is appreciated. Initially superficial cut is given, then a small artery forceps is used to dissect the superficial skin and the superficial fascia, and after that we will give a small deeper nick into the peritoneum till a give-way feeling is established. Now again pass the artery forceps till the peritoneum cavity in this twisting motion. Now we have made a access into peritoneal cavity for the dialysis of the child. Now we are passing this Knowlton tube through this access. You can check the drain is passing easily. The aim is to pass all the 4 eyes into the peritoneal cavity so that there is no subcutaneous leakage. If you feel that it is contaminated, you can use a small amount of the pyodine. After passing the vein into peritoneal cavity, PD fluid which was used to inflate the abdominal cavity has came out. Now our vein is in place and child is ready to start for the peritoneal dialysis. Just remove the sterilized gauze pieces and blade and attach a 3-way for in and out cycles of the PD.